So recently I got a comment under one of my videos from Sophia from Folklore Company. She asked if I would be willing to try one of their products and if I could give them my feedback. Their company makes cross-stitch kits, and so how do you think? Would I be willing to test some cross-stitch kits? Duh! And apparently you can make your own design and order a kit. I think it's a great idea, so that's what I will do today. I will go to their website and make my own pattern and order a kit. And when it comes, then I will unbox it and I will cross stitch it. So I have my laptop here. I'm not sure if you can see this. So I'll just go to their website. It's a Swedish shop. I looked through the website before, and what I've seen is you can make a t-shirt or just a regular cross-stitch piece and some other gadgets, and they have a lot of pre-designed kits. But what I really want to check out is their tool for making your own design. So this is what I will do. I don't know how it works yet. Okay, so apparently you can choose a motif and text and you can change colors, I guess. So it's not like you can make whatever you want. But I think it's great for beginners or for people that just want to make something easy and quick. Okay, so I will check all the motifs, and what I will go for is, I feel a little gloomy, I would say, today. And so I thought about making something with "We're all gonna die" text. So also what I see now is when you choose a pattern, there are some options. Like the most basic one and like a bigger one, at least some of them has variants. So I think that's cool. It's easier to make it look better with your design. Ooh, for kids room. I think it will make a great contrast. We're all gonna die with some like kids patterns. So maybe I will choose something here. Oh, I like them. Oh yeah, this is something for me. Oh yeah, I think it will work the best. Oh, I love them. So as you can see, the variety is pretty big. Okay, I will go with this. And so for the text, I will put, as I said, "We're all gonna die." Maybe I will choose a different font. I think I like this one the best. Okay. I think this is my design. Also, I think I will change some colors, maybe the color of the text. Okay, that's perfect. Also, apparently, you can change even all the animal colors, but I will leave it as it is because I think it's super cute. So I will just order it, and now you can choose if you want a wall hanging kit or embroider on anything, or only pattern and instructions as PDF, or high resolution artwork. But I want to go for a kit. And you can choose a size. Yeah, so maybe I will go for this medium size. And you can choose some add-ons like a poster hanger. So I will just order this as is, and it's just under $46. So I think it is pretty pricey, but we'll see how it looks like when it's here. And I will just fill all the info here and I will check out. So we'll see in apparently 4 to 6 work days with a kit in my hands, and we'll do a little unboxing. So see you then. Alright, so I'm back here with my package. The shipment was supposed to take 2 to 4 business days, and it took 3 business days, so it came on time. And as you can see, it's just a little cardboard envelope with the company's logo here, and apparently it's a climate neutral package, so it's always cool. So let's open it. and what we have inside. So there's another envelope and some thank you card with a discount code, and I guess my kit is in this envelope, so let's open it. Okay, as you can see, I have a little skeins of DMC embroidery floss, so it's cool. They use this brand because it's very good brand, it's very well known. It's good to get like nice quality, and you get like a full skein of every color except black, so it's a lot more than you probably need for your project. So you can probably cross stitch more than once, and you get a embroidery needle. It's nice, it's very short. I like it like that. And the regular white canvas is probably also a lot bigger than you need. And here is the pattern. So let's see. First page looks like this. There is color chart and the pattern like in this smaller version. And then we have a bigger version like on multiple pages, and it's printed on both sides, which from the ecological point of view is better, but I'm not sure if for cross-stitching it's good because you can't really like assemble it so you can see it all at once. But to be honest, I will probably just use that because I don't need it to be that huge. Also, right after I placed my order, I got an email with a link to the page all about this pattern that I made, probably with all the information that are here, with I believe a little instruction on how to cross stitch it, and with a pattern, and that's it. So yeah, you get basic things like I said in one of my videos about what you need to start cross stitching. You really just need a canvas, embroidery floss, cross stitching needle, and your pattern. So you get everything you need. You don't get any extras, so if you actually want to use this pattern, you probably should have your own embroidery hoop, because I don't think it would be convenient to cross stitch it without embroidery hoop, because 33 by 22 centimeters is quite a big canvas. So I think I will cross stitch it and I will show you how it looks finished. And yeah, so to the cross stitching. Alright, so in the end I decided I will use the whole cloth, so I will just start at the center here. I realized that this cloth is 11 crosses per inch, so it's 11 count, so it's a low density. I'm not a big fan of that density canvas. I prefer 14 or even higher, but it all comes down to the preference. But what is weird for me is they suggest using 2 threads, and on 11 count 2 strands will be like, the crosses will be very much in your face. Let me show you how it will look. Oops. Also, I think this needle is a little bit too thin for that cloth. It doesn't want to stay in a hole. There is a reason why you can get different thickness needles. So I made 1 stitch, and the cross is very obvious, it's very visible, and if you like it like that, then sure. But I'm not a big fan of that looking cross stitch, so I will actually ignore their suggestions and I will just use 4 strands. Alright, so this needle really started to piss me off after some time. It's just too thin, so it's don't want to stay in a hole for me to grab it on the other side. It just keeps falling out, and I decided I will just use my own needle. It's a lot thicker. It's still thin enough to not make bigger holes there than there already are. So from now on I will use this needle, and that other needle I will just keep for some other projects where I use a really high density canvas, like 20 count or something like this. Alright, so this is the finished piece. It's a lot larger than I expected, and also it actually turned out a lot better than I expected. It's super cute. In the end, I kind of like how it looks on 11 count canvas. I was worried about it at the beginning, but in the end I really like it. Also, the colors are not quite like on the pattern, but actually I like these colors a lot better. I have a lot of floss left, like of some colors, almost all skeins, and I used almost all the black, but keep in mind that I used twice as much as they recommend. I used 4 threads instead of 2. It was really pleasing to cross stitch. It's really fun design. I really like these cute animals. It will definitely go on my wall. In the end, the only issue I had was with the needle. Like I said, it's too small needle for that count canvas. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. And so if you want to order some kit but you want something more personal, I really like how you can personalize it, but you can use the base that they already have there with all the frames and fonts, and so it's really easy process. And I will leave a link to the company's website in the description box below, so check this out. And I think that's it for today, so see you in the next one. Bye!